Do you feel the vibes?
Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Make Auto Clinic. Welcome back to our show. I'm going to share with you some more information how to remove the clutch grip. Generally, you must have seen that clutch grips basically sticks to the handle very badly. It's very worse to remove also, and our procedure generally what we have seen on the road and the workshops also, people who doesn't know about it, they just try to use some brutal force. So here in this case, if you try to use brutal force, then there is a possibility that you may bend the handlebar, or there is a chance of bending the foundation of that handlebar as well, or some other spare part may get damaged. So the simplest way to remove the clutch sleeve, the grip basically, is pneumatic based. Now you must be wondering how I'm going to do that. I'm not going to show you about the throttle or the accelerator, because it is very much easy to remove the grip because it's just a slide fit. But this is the clutch grip is basically, it's completely it gets stuck up on the handlebar. So this is the reason we use some brutal force. When you're changing the grip, you try to use some brutal force and then you bend something which is like you never understand, but then later on you understand that something is broken, but you cannot relate that it happened because of your clutch grip removal. So let's come to the main point. Now this is the pneumatic gun basically what I am using right now, and I am going to ask Debosis to hold up the camera for me, since he is also interested seeing this, how to do that. So Debosis, if you would mind please holding the thing. Now if I have pneumatic, is best way to just keep on blowing around. What happens basically, air flows inside the sleeve and then it releases the glue. Sometimes it takes some time. As you can see, it's getting released now. See, it's released. That's it. So this is the way you have to remove the clutch sleeve if it is stuck up on the handlebar. It's very easy and not even dangerous, because if you use any kind of a spanner or something to remove the sleeve, the whole pressure will come on the handlebar as well as the handlebar foundation. So thanks for watching and have a great day.